The Lord be with you, good everyone. Today is Tuesday, and our gospel will be coming from St. John chapter 14, verses 17 to 21. Jesus told his disciples, "My peace I give to you, not the peace that the world can give, but my own peace." In our world today, wherein peace is so very elusive. There are so many wars happening, wars in the Middle East, war between Russia and Ukraine, and in many parts of the world, we need peace. But even if this kind of peace is very much elusive, as Jesus said, "I will give you my kind of peace." And peace is not just the absence of war. Peace is all about having that sense of inner contentment, goodness, kindness, something that the world cannot give. What we need today is a peace that will make us so much at peace deep inside our hearts. But I guess it's also very difficult to experience when we take away God. Once we welcome Jesus, no matter what's happening around us, even if there will be bombs everywhere, if there is God in us, there is some kind of acceptance and willingness to show that there is the power of God that will triumph against all odds. Let us be the instrument of that peace by sharing goodness, kindness, by not returning evil for an evil, by not returning insult for an insult, rather giving, sharing, and allowing God to be experienced by everyone around us. The world may be cruel, but we can still be agents of peace if we share and give Jesus to everyone. Let war not start in us. Rather, let peace start and begins in us. God bless you.